Is that how you are when you go to a wedding or a celebration for a huplikite event and tie that string on your friends or family's hand? Well, today I'm gonna teach you all what to say when you go to any huplikite event and tie that string. In order to make this easy for you all, I'm going to break this down into 4 segments. The first part, you are going to address the time of the day. The second part, you are going to acknowledge the purpose of the event and who is hosting the event. The third part, you are going to address your relation to that individual as well as your role of attending the event. And fourth, the blessing. So part 1, you are going to address the time of the day. So in Hmong, it would go like this. Nu na jong nu, nu na jong yong. Nu na nu klo, nu na nu hu. Part 2, you are now going to acknowledge the purpose of the event as well as the host of the event. For this video, I will be using the pseudonym of Nze, who has completed their bachelor's degree. In Hmong, it would sound something like this. Nu na, Nze tao cần tớ tá lợ, nu na nu chí, rong sha rong zhu, tao mua na cha na tu, to hupli kinu te. In part 3, you are going to address your relation to that individual as well as your role for attending the event. So it would go something like this. Pe o gu o ti, o pong o yu, o ning o chang, o teng o je, ge zi o lao, pe to ki i zu lo, pe jiao pe lu yen gong yen ho. Lastly, part 4, which is by far my most favorite part because you have the autonomy for your word selection to get creative in how you choose to bless this individual. So for me, it would go along the lines of something like this. Beto ki itu lo junza, to banu, ka tsunu na juda, jomonji gena kanya jong, ka mon la fa, ka mon ka, mon ton fa, ka mon hu, ka mon la fa, chin cha sha mo, mon ton fa, ka chin cha shan gang. Nyako ta chimo mo, nyako po chimo gang. And just like that, if you remember these 4 parts, you can now go to any huplikite event and simply tie your knot.